So, I'm starting a new vlog because my friend Katie from home, who's my friend from my hometown, is come to visit me, and we're just out for dinner. She's a YouTuber as well, so make sure you go follow her and subscribe to her page. And we're just at Asia. The view is amazing. An amazing view. We just ordered some cocktails. How is it?
Amazing. Love it.
And I was just saying this is my place to take people because it's really good food and a really good view. Wow. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Welcome back to our YouTube
I'll start a new vlog for this weekend, shall I? This is Katie, my friend from York. She's visiting me at the moment and we are on the start of a mad weekend, so we thought we'd start a vlog.
I don't think I'm going to survive. Like, I already feel like I might die and it's Thursday.
She might die, so let's see. We're on our way to 5 on the Palm. We've got really cute outfits on, so we'll show you in a minute. Hi, here we are. I'm just doing a little vlog. We're at Penthouse, just doing the evening brunch. Look how gorgeous we all look, sorry, but who are we? So here's the mains. How is it? Is it good? It's a bit cold, that's why we're all wrapped up.
Yeah, it's freezing.
Got some sushi, that looks good. Lovely. What?
I'm going to be a fat twat. That's what I
No, you're not. No, you're not. So we're just having dessert. Wow. Okay, what is going on here? Ooh. Okay. Okay, look how many drinks we've got as well.
I can't wait for the video, sorry.
Alright. We've just got only like 4 drinks each. That's all.
Professional dancers, so we can't perform moves.
Are they really professional dancers?
away.
Are they really professional dancers?
Are they? I
Are they
don't know. Katie, show us
some moves.
something.
Hey.
That's good, to be fair. That got us A marks. What is that? That's nothing.
Can I just say, he just elbowed my tits and it's brand new.
Guys, you coming?
Yeah, we're coming.
Come on, babe.
Do it.
One sec, I'm just planning the freezer.
Hello.
We're leaving now. Mabel's not going to put this in the video.
No, I am. You hold it.
All right. Hi guys. Welcome back.
Hello.
We're going home now because
We're getting home because we're drunk. And we cannot vlog this.
No, we're going home to get to
not
bed.
going on the vlog.
Do you want to get in the YouTube video?
No.
Oh no,
Be on
no.
YouTube.
Do you want to be on YouTube? Do you want to be on YouTube?
All right.
Do you want to be on YouTube?
Do you know what YouTube is?
YouTube.
Hi guys, sorry about that drunkenness.
Look a bit different this morning.
It's the same people. So basically, it was a good night, but I lost my phone. So we just went to go pick it up from some random guys that picked it up on the table. Anyway, we've got it. So we're just having a lovely walk through Marina.
We're going to get some pancakes.
We've ordered delivery, so it is a good day. Yay! Hey guys, we are coming to you live. YouTube.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be famous on Mabel's channel.
So famous. So why don't you explain what we're doing? Can you present?
What are we doing? Hang on, you have to leave subtitles at the bottom first. I'll speak nice.
Speak, you know.
It's Leia's birthday, so we're having a little yacht party.
Just a little one.
Just out here getting sunburned.
And I'm good.
And she's good.
So we are currently still on the boat, but we are gonna head back soon. Yeah. Sorry, but what is actually going on? I don't actually know. So basically, Katie is trying to
She's trying to taunt us.
Sam.
She's trying to taunt this.
No, I'm not.
That's so funny.
But they're both tourists, so it kind of works well.
Tourists. Anyway, say hi to my vlog. Hi, what do you want to say?
I've just got a vodka lemonade. We're just out at sea, you know, it's quite windy.
We're at sea. Let's look at the sea. There we are.
There's a sea for reference.
And here's all the people.
1A.
Everyone say
Hi. Wait, do it again. want to lick it fully.
What?
I don't know. Where's the music at? Leah, can you get the guy to play the music?
Anton!
Should we all go back upstairs? Let's go back to the back.
I can't be arsed. I'm not arsed. Alright, come on. Keep going. Off you go. Are we alive?
No, I'm honestly like,
We're so hungover.
I think definitely maybe be less painful than this right now.
For personal reasons, we've decided to pass away.
For personal reasons, I'm gonna jump in that river.
Anyway, we've just got to brunch. It is Saturday and it's Katie's last day, which is very
I
sad.
was thinking about staying longer, but I just can't.
She's going to be sensible. She's going to be sensible. Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna find a job here and then move.
And move. So,
Do you think I will?
yeah, you will. She will. Food looks so good. Thank you very much. She's on the phone to Emirates, changing a flight right now, and we're at brunch.
Freddie. I can see my stories.
Katie, what do you think is inside the cup?
A ball.
Oh, you're good. Nothing. Right? But you're right. You play this game, I need to do. And nothing up my sleeve, right? My sleeve broke.
Okay.
Have it. 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take both of them out. I'll keep one of them in my pocket, and this one's going to come back right inside the cup. It's going to happen again, look. It goes in my pocket, and from my pocket, comes back here, gets bigger. There's something in the bowl. Do you see it? You feel it? Show the camera. Bring your hand out like that. I'll hold it tight in my hand. You hold it very tight, man. Please tight. Very slowly. Don't quickly. Slowly open hands. Slowly, please. Both hands. Can you do both hands for both hands? Very slowly open your hand. Slowly. And the question is, what do you think is inside the cup? What do you think?
Oh,
What do you think?
another ball.
Lift it up.
What have you done? What have you done?
I've just changed my flight. Because I want to stay.
Yes.
When till?
Wednesday, but I can change it again.
Okay.
Because we're going home. I don't
More food. More food. Is it nice?
Right, I don't want to go home, but I think it's probably
I
time.
think it's time, isn't it? Oh.
I wanted to come to Dubai and either leave dead or married or arrested, and I'm pretty close to death right now, so I think it's time.
She's done well.
I've been out every night.
Every night.
Thank you for having me. Oh, sorry.
It's alright, it's Sunday now. Ruined. Just ruined. Saying bye to Katie. I look awful. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next vlog.
I really don't want to go. Bye.
Rubbish.
Rubbish. I don't even know what I'm going back to.
Bye. Have fun in lockdown. Have fun.